Download this code from codegive.com, link in the description below. Certainly. Line plots are a fundamental visualization technique used in data science to represent time series data. They help in understanding trends, patterns, and fluctuations over time. In Python, libraries such as matplotlib and seaborn are commonly used to create line plots. Tutorial: Creating line plots for time series data in Python. 1. Understanding time series data. Time series data consists of observations collected at regular intervals over time. Common examples include stock prices, daily temperatures, and sales figures. The x-axis typically represents time, while the y-axis represents the measured value. 2. Setting up your environment. To create line plots in Python, you'll need to install the following libraries if you haven't already. 3. Importing libraries. Start by importing the necessary libraries. 4. Preparing the data. You can create a sample time series dataset using pandas. Here's an example of generating a simple time series dataset. 5. Creating a basic line plot. You can create a simple line plot using matplotlib. 6. Enhancing the line plot. You can enhance your line plot by adding more features like markers, style, and additional lines. 7. Using seaborn for advanced visualizations. Seaborn provides an easier interface and beautiful default styles for creating complex visualizations. 8. Conclusion. Line plots are a versatile and powerful tool for visualizing time series data. You can further customize your plots by changing colors, styles, and adding annotations to highlight important events or trends. By using libraries like matplotlib and seaborn, you can create informative and visually appealing line plots. Additional tips. Annotations: use plt.annotate to highlight specific points on the plot. Multiple lines: you can plot multiple time series on the same plot for comparison. Date formatting: use dates from matplotlib for better date formatting on the x-axis. Feel free to adapt the examples to your specific dataset and requirements.